Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Katanat Khajana James P.K. Sangma menta kasngi ula Pynbna ba Kwah banyu i bayakaan Khalai lane ka Meghalaya Regulation of Gaming Act 2008 dewan penduk Pyndam no. Kani kalawan ning bau kerwa khubor na uni menteri. Katanat babat James kadai ka baped halor kadai ka an Khalai. Kajing Pynbna na James kalongru ka bala Pynkyndit na maru dew menteri baningkong nak sorkar MDA ban penpau badai ban Pyndam no ya kadai ka an Khalai. Nalor kata menteri rangba lambat usembut menteri rangba kiladiap keren syai baka sorkar kan penduk Pyndam ya kate kaan Khalai. James loong bahaka jingi kando bat ki babun kom ki seng niam dor barsnong seng samla bat ki wei ula persyang man smong thu ya ki ki baki pat ba ki la penpau bat ka ga jingkta ka ban mi na kate kaan Khalai. Namar kini ki jingi kando bat jingi keren kalapau syai bakan bahashi bon na kabenta ka jela ban Pyndam no ya ketika an Khalai na kadaw bakala ban mi ka jingkta. James ulaang ba untre shitam ban ped ba ya ketika an Khalai anweng bat pendu no.
Dear friends, last year with the aim of boosting tourism, revenue generation and employment for the people of our state, the Department of Taxation, Government of Meghalaya introduced the Meghalaya Regulation of Gaming Act 2021 under my guidance. This act would legalize and regulate gaming in Meghalaya. Till that extent, introducing casinos meant for tourists only was considered as well. Over the months that followed, there were concerns expressed from parts of the society with regards to the scope and the impact of the act. I met with stakeholders that included religious organizations, non-governmental organizations, civil society representations, Dorbashnongs, autonomous and local governance bodies, and youth organizations. During this process, I tried to understand the concerns of the public and the impact that the Act could have further on. Following such meetings and deliberations, it became clear to me that it is in the best interest of our state to completely scrap the Act, given that there could be untoward implications. Therefore, it will be my earnest endeavor to see that the Meghalaya Regulation of Gaming Act 2021 will be repealed. I would like to thank everyone who came forward to aid, advise, and provide feedback to the government on the Act. The citizenry are the keystone of any democracy, and it only strengthens our commitment to better governance when the collective conscience is addressed. Thank you once again. Kublai Shibun, Matela, Jai Hind.